Hi guys, my name is Miss Porter and today we're going to learn about how to set up your class site on MoodleCloud. So you're going to have to make your account, and when you get there you'll have your home button. So you get at home, and what you're going to do is scroll down and click add a new course. It's then going to prompt you to create the actual course. And what you want to do is type in the full name. The full name is going to show on the list of your students and yourself, so you want the entire thing. The short name is going to just be the simple SPAN 101 section 2. Don't need any of the description or anything like that. That'll show up in the emails and all that. So you want to type in those and then do the course start and end date. So our semester started January 10th and it'll end May 8th, so you can put that in there. Make sure to change the date. Next, you'll have the course summary. This is just going to give your students an idea of what they're going to be learning in the course. So it can be short and sweet, to the point. For instance, my Spanish class, it's a course for Spanish learning beginners, and we're going to cover basic grammar and vocabulary. Bam. To the point, super sweet, all you need. Next, you're going to go to course format. You can either do a topics, weekly, social, or singer activity. I prefer the topics or weekly format because that's just really simple. And then for appearance, you can force a language, you can show the grade book. Students like being able to see their grade book. And so then you're going to save and display. I've already done one, so I'm going to press cancel. But save and display, and it'll pop up like so. So you'll click on your course that you just created, and all you're going to see is announcements. So what you want is to create a forum. So add an activity or resource, and you have all these different options to click, but forum is right here. So we're going to click forum. It gives you a nice little description of what you're going to be using it for. It has a list of uses that you can do. So we're going to add the forum. I like having a forum just for my class to ask questions, do anything they want. So forum name would be class discussion. And you just describe that you want your students to ask questions, post things, start discussion with other students, especially when there's a heavy topic on board, like when we're learning about a country or anything like that. You can put how many attachments that you want to give your students to be able to put. You may or may not want to do that. You don't really need to grade or do a subscription because, like I said, it's just a forum, so you want to save and display that. And next we're going to make an assignment. So for my topic 1, I put assignments just so my students can go straight to what assignments they have. As you can see, I already have an assignment posted, but we're going to add another assignment. So once again, you go to add an activity or resource and make sure you're in this block so that it'll post underneath it. So assignment is the first activity that's on there, which is nice. And once again, they have a little description of what it is. So you're going to click add, and you're going to do the assignment name. I would do basic vocabulary. So you do the assignment name, and then for the description, this is where you put the directions. So put any directions that the students need to know of. You can even put that they need to submit the Word document for here or anything you'd like. The availability is very important if you want your students to do this by a certain day. So you can allow the submission from the day you assignment to 1 day later, 2 days later, or even 3 months later, regardless of what you want. So make sure you do that, and you can even chalk it up to a certain time. For submission types, they can either type in a box on the screen for the online text, or they can submit a Word document, a video, whatever you would like. So there's feedback types, submission settings. What I would go to would be grading. You can do a point or a scale for grades, and I generally do a 50-point grade for little paragraphs. And then there's the grading method. If you choose a rubric, you will need to put in the rubric blocks. So I generally use simple direct grading for simpler tasks. And then you scroll down and you put save and display. So that's the basics, making assignments, forums. If you want to check grades, you would go here and click grades, and it'll show you all of your students. Obviously, I don't have any right now, so it would show you all the students. It'll give the assignments that have been posted, and you can check the grades. And also, on your assignments, they'll give you the option to grade it. For instance, my assignment for conjugations of AR verbs. Scroll down and it gives you the option to grade. So that's what you would use to do it. I hope this video was helpful and good luck with your Moodle site.